Alrighty, folks, it's clean out the barn day. We got our deep bedding in here and we're cleaning it out with Paws skid steer. Get this cleaned out because I didn't have space to put another bale in. So, little helper and I are running the skid steer today. So you can see how deep we had it in here. The problem was I was starting to hit my head on the ceiling and we couldn't get any more bedding bales in, so we had to clean it out and we'll start over. But this gate and that panel is coming out because we need to go clear through with the skid steer. And then we'll put that gate over there that's against the wall. We'll hang it there so we got a clear shot for next time, because we can't be scooping 2 feet out of bedding out but with a pitchfork. You can see it's all steamy right there. So we're just gonna pile it all over here and we'll put an electric fence around it so the cows don't tramp it down. Got that extra wall chopped out, all the manure scooped out. That straw there, that's just a little bit of straw that was left on the edges underneath the feeders. Heidi came and helped me get the feeders lowered down. And now we're gonna shove a new straw bale in here. You can't have too much bedding for your milk cows. Helps them stay clean and then they do better. Hi, Ricotta. Cows are all interested. They're coming in here. So we're gonna fill up the compost machine. Hopefully we get a few more piles like that this winter. That'd be great. There we go. Got that bale rolled in. Spread some out here for the other cows. So we're good to go for another couple months probably. I'll just keep spreading straw in here until it gets to where I'm hitting my head on the ceiling, and then we'll clean it out again.